What's going on, guys? It's Bandit FX, and this is my breakdown for gold on June 28th, 2021 for Asian and London sessions. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame real quick. Um, Obviously, we had this big sell-off here. We're coming into a weekly support level here at 1760. Break it down to the daily time frame, and we have been ranging pretty heavily for about a week now. None of these candles really have a clear direction of where we're headed. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, I already had this marked up, so I'm just going to leave it. We are in a very, very nasty range. So, um, as far as trading gold right now, trying to anticipate the breakout, I personally do not believe is a good idea. Um, if I were to be trading gold right now, I would say to sell the resistance and buy the support because price is ranging and it's going to continue to range, and the chance of it breaking out is one in however many bounces there already are or will be. So you have a much, much higher percentage chance of price to continue ranging versus breaking out. Like it's bounced off the support 6, 7, 8 times already. Why would this next bounce be the reason that that it breaks out? Unless we have news that's going to push it out. So let's look at the news for the week. So today was Monday. There was nothing. There's a little bit of New Zealand news. Nothing too crazy. It's a bank holiday for Italy. And looking into Wednesday, nothing too significant. There's crude oil, home sales, PMI. This is what we're looking for. Non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. This right here, Friday, I believe, is when we're going to see the breakout on gold. And, if you guys don't already notice this, typically the week of some news like this, like NFP, typically that week is when you see gold range very, very hard, because it is in anticipation for that news to release. Price likes to stay in that one spot and it doesn't move until the news releases. So I feel like personally we're going to have the breakout on Friday. So, don't be surprised if this ranges for another 2 to 3 days. This is a very, very high possibility of price just ranging in here. Might not be between 1789 and 1772, but I don't think we're breaking above 1795, and I do not think we're breaking below 1760 until Friday. So, um, word of advice: if I were to be trading gold right now, focus on buying the support, selling the resistance. That way your stop losses are a lot smaller and your profit potential is much higher because just for example, if we're taking a long position right here off of the support level, um seeing that all these wicks typically end right here with the exception of the beginning, in the first bounce before price actually started ranging, we really didn't break below this level right here. So, having a stop loss of 24 pips, having a 24 pip stop loss with the upside target of 162 pips on gold, that's a very good risk reward ratio. You're looking almost at a 7R, 6.5R. So, um, this is a very high probability trade because prices bounced off this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Why wouldn't we bounce the 11th time? Same thing in regards to sells. If we're going to take a sell position here, taking a short at the top of the range. Um, even for sells, even assuming, you're putting your stop loss like way up here, for whatever reason, you guys want to take a safe trade, you want a really, really high probability trade, assuming that gold is not going to break to the upside before Friday. I mean, even if you have an 85 pip stop loss, and you're trading on the 4 hour time frame when price comes into this level, you're still looking at a 2R. This is a great trade. Still, a 2R is a great trade. And if you guys watched my last video on the breakdown of pound yen, I was talking about how price likes to bounce off that halfway point. So at the very worst, you're going to get a 1-to-1 R out of this trade. So me personally, if I were taking something like this, I'm going to have a much tighter stop loss because the majority of the time, price did not break above these wicks, you know, one, two, three, four, five, 6 times, 7 times. So if I'm taking a sell up here, I'm going to probably paste my stop loss up here somewhere with a 20 pip stop and putting it down at the target at the bottom of the range. You're looking at an 8R. You know, it's a beautiful trade. So there is a way to trade ranges. You guys just have to know how, and you guys have to be able to identify certain characteristics of tradable ranges versus non-tradable ranges, because there definitely is a difference. And you know, the majority of people lose money when trying to trade a range. So you guys just have to be careful on how you go about it. But yeah, guys, I'm personally think that gold is going to stay in this range until Friday, but you know, if you guys think something different, let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think gold is going to do today, tomorrow, or leading up to NFP. If you think it's still going to range, or you think we're going to see a breakout before then, and um, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Once again, I'm going to leave my Discord for Bandit FX in the description. It's totally free. We cover New York analysis, London analysis, Asian analysis, crypto analysis. We go over trade recaps, as well as the daily live streams at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Time. It's totally free. It's completely open to the public, and you guys can invite your friends as well. It's not only through my link. You guys can actually have your own link and invite people or whoever you want. Just yeah, guys, feel free to join if that's something you guys are interested in. But let me know what you guys think on this gold analysis and what the future holds as far as this week for gold. I will see you guys next time.